Hello my lovelies, it's me, Lisa. I thought I'd show you how I make my, you could call it come to me oil or sweeten my love to me oil. But this is how I make it, so I thought I'd show you how I make it. So you could call it come to me oil or sweeten my love to me oil, basically, because I'm using different things. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a jar, you're going to need some type of oil. You could use olive oil, grapeseed oil or safflower oil, any oil that you have, vegetable oil, whatever. But if it's vegetable oil, make sure you put some a cap of vitamin E oil in here so it doesn't go rancid. But the oil that I'm using, it has vitamin E in it anyway, so I'm going to use that. So first you're going to need yourself a jar here. So what I'm using is I'm going to use honey as well to put into this jar as well, because we're sweetening, it's an oil sweetening to me oil. So first thing I'm going to use is, the things I like to use is rose petals, because I've got rose petals here, these rose petals here. Let me just move you up a tiny bit more so that you can see me a bit more. Bear with me a second. Hold on a second. There you go, you can see a bit more. You can see me washing machine in the background, I'm sorry. But let's move you over back here a bit. There we go, you can see me. And my chunky arms. I'm not showing my face, obviously, because you want to see all the things that I'm using. So like I said, I'm using these here. I've got these off eBay. And it is by Live More. And this is 50 gram of rose petals. And I think I got these for £3, I think it was, in England, and it's really cheap, that, for 50 grams of rose petals, and it's so potent, it's beautiful. So I'm not going to give any measurements, but if you want it, if you're using a jar around about this size, then maybe 2 handfuls or something. So I'm going to use maybe that much of rose petals. So I'm going to put some rose petals. This is how I make my oil. I'm going to put some rose petals in here, and it's so pungent, it's beautiful. Maybe 2 pinches of it, 2 handfuls of rose petals that I like to use. And I'll only buy these rose petals because they're so potent and they're absolutely gorgeous. If I can, I'll leave a link in the bottom of where I got these roses from. Here. So I love my roses. So this is, like I said, it's going to be like a sweeten my love oil, or sweeten the love to me oil. I'm going to put some catnip. Like, you know, catnip is very good for love. So I'm going to put 2 pinches of that into here that I always use. I like to make, actually I'm going to put an extra pinch in. An extra pinch of catnip here. So it looks like this at the moment here. I love to make this when I've run out. So this is my own oil, my own recipe. Like I said, there's rose petals and catnip in here. I'm going to put some licorice root because we want to dominate the situation and make things come to us, basically. So I'm going to put some licorice root in it. Put some licorice root in there as well. So we've got a pinch of licorice root as well in there. Also, I'm going to use some Vetivert root, because Vetivert is good for love work as well. So I'm going to put some Vetivert root in here for love, here as well. So it looks like this now. This is what it looks like now. I'm going to put some honey in here as well, because we want to sweeten the love. So put a bit of honey in there. This is how I make my oil. And then what I use is also Vetivert oil, so I'll put a few drops of that in as well. You can give Vetivert oil offline. So I like to put a generous amount of Vetivert. It doesn't matter how many drops you put in. And let me see how that smells, see if it smells good. That smells amazing. I've put about 20 to 25 drops in. So this is, like I said, a simple thing. So we've got the rose petals in. We've got our, what did I say I put in? I've put some rose petals in. I've put some catnip in. I've put some licorice root, Vetivert root. And like I said, I put a tiny drizzle of honey in as well. And also the Vetivert thingy. That Vetivert essential oil here. Pure essential oil. I'm going to put some more in actually. Doesn't matter how much you put in. There you go. Say 25 to 30 drops basically. And then now I'm going to top it off with my oil here. And what you want to do once you've made this oil is you want to let it stand for at least a week to 2 weeks in a dark cupboard here. So I've made like a big batch here. Here I'm going to swirl it around, and this is what my oil looks like. So I don't know whether to call it a come to me oil or sweeten my love oil. That's what I'm going to call this. I'm going to call it sweeten my love oil. Sweeten my love to me oil. So this is how pretty it looks. You want to give it a good shake every day. This is how I make my oil. It's so pretty. I don't strain it. I never strain my oils. I like it to see the stuff moving around in it. So this is my sweeten my love to me oil, or sweeten my love oil. This is how I make it. So it's so pretty, all of it floating about. Once again, I'll give the ingredients that I used. I'm actually going to put another tiny bit of honey in. Not a lot, just one tiny bit. So maybe 2 tablespoons of honey in the oil. So I'm going to give it a shake up. So now, this is my sweeten my love oil. Sweetened love oil. Or whatever I want to call it. I don't know yet. I'll think of it. But this is how pretty it is. Like I said, I'll tell you the ingredients that I used again. I used the red rose petals, the Vetivert root, the Vetivert oil, licorice root and catnip. And I used honey as well. Like maybe like a spoonful of honey in here as well. So I'm going to cap this off and shake it up. I'm going to stick this away in the cupboard for maybe a week in a dark cupboard. And what I said is, when you're making the oil, make sure it is, you shake it up every day as well. You can strain it after 2-3 weeks, it's up to you. But I like to see the stuff moving around in it. So this is how pretty it is here, and I hope you enjoyed the video of my sweeten my love oil, of my own recipe. This is what I use to when I'm doing love work for people, for clients when they come to me. I ran out of my oil, so I decided I'd come on camera and show you how I make my love oil. And this is what I use on my candles as well. Like I said, this is my sweeten my love oil, or sweeten my love to me oil. And it's really, really lovely. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will do another video soon. Bye.